Party, tingnan niyo ha. Hindi pa kumpleto yan kasi hindi pa dumating yung ibang food. So ito muna papakita ko. Yan, update ko kayo. Yan, gusto ko ito. Simple lang yan siya, guys. Ganyan sila pag may party. Simple. Yeah. Alam nyo guys, the best talaga yan. Hindi ko ipapakita yung mukha niya ha. Kasi bawal. Dalaga yan. Single. And ready to and finding someone. Charot. Ganyan talaga yan siya guys. Simula pa noon, since before and now. Ganyan talaga yan siya. Tingnan nyo. Prepare. Kailangan perfect. Mashallah. See? Nagbigay talaga siya ng heart. Ganyan yun siya. Dati pa. Oh. Yan o. Salamat. Yan. Si Mona nag-prepare niyan lahat. Kami nakatanga. Ayan. Ang kinin ko to mamaya. Ang cute to. Hello. Ang cute. It's cute.
Do you like?
Yeah, I will take that one later.
Yeah. Didn't check the cake.
No, wala cake.
Yeah.
Sim before or no?
No. Better.
Pag si Mona ang nag... Wow. Oh my God. Wala. It's perfect.
Really? Do you like?
Wow.
Me? Asin? Amo asin mahal.
Tingnan nyo guys. Binago na naman niya yung inayos niya. Ayan. Gusto niya kasi perfect. Ganyan yan. Oh. It's good oh. May ilalagay pa yan dyan guys mamaya na mga ulam, pagkain. Dyan ilalagay lahat. Kasi maraming pupunta. Yung nagtatrabaho pupunta sila ngayon dito. Kasi nagpa-party yung amo. Ito yung office ng boss ko. Sarili niya to. Kung makakapasok lang yan sila pag may ganyan occasion, tapos ipapatawag ng amo. Yun lang. Ilalagay namin dyan yung pagkain mamaya. Mapupuno yan ng pagkain. Tingnan nyo mamaya yung pagkain.
So we want to share this with Iman.
No, I don't want. Thank you.
No.
Alam nyo guys, siya, gutom din yan siya. Kasi busy yan siya. Siya ang nagpe-prepare doon sa office.
We are good. Asma, take this breakfast.
Sa muli?
The have one?
You eat.
No,
I drink already coffee.
it's okay.
Guys, kung magtaka kayo, puro na lang kamay.
What you said, Iman?
I tell them, I always take video for you, just only half, not the face.
Okay.
Ganyan lang guys. Bawal ang
They
mukha.
want to my first? Make your subscribe until 2000.
Mashallah, too much Rajal there.
Yeah.
They are hungry. Also.
They will eat each other. Oh my God.
So yun lang guys, kasi may music kami. May music silang nilagay. So baka copyright ako. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yun lang. Ingat. Bye bye.